You are going to love the 2017 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain, driver illuminated vanity mirror. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.